hopefully my mic's still working. I'm gonna do a little what's in the bag today. Price chopper. What else? Maybe the Honda crap. I'll do a long video. I picked up a couple of these. These are... not sure which one this is for. Anyway. Well, I stare at them off camera. So these are... if I remember correctly... which side is going? Left side? I think these are left side. Yeah. Two left sides of a Honda Big Red. Why'd I buy them? Because I got 1, 2 and need left sides. What else we got here? I picked up some wheel paint. This is the wheel thing, you know that? The wheel thing? The wheel paint. It's I picked it up at O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's high temperature silver. See if it's the right thing. What else? I found one of these for like $10. It's the front key thing. It matches the color for the 86 bike. So I'm going to see if I could figure out how to clean this. I'm not sure if I can figure out. What else? When it comes to the other Honda parts, I know I'm probably boring everybody on my channel with Honda parts. I also picked up the one remaining thing that I need to put the bike together is this. This I think is the left, maybe the right, I don't know. It's the rear axle for the swing arm. I'm gonna try to get this bike I'm gonna try to get it rolling because I have the little handheld bead blaster. So if I can take that out there or try to get it over there, I might make a set of rollers to put on, like blocks with casters, and I'm gonna see if I can sandblast some of the back end and spray some of the back end, and just to get and then paint it. I don't want a perfect bike. I just want to clean up some of the, because if you could, it's not wait, it's not this one. There's another bike over here. It's somewhat complete. It has the forks on and everything. If I can sandblast it while it's on the bike and give it a quick spray paint and do different spot blast it, I want to probably sandblast it, prime it, and then give it a little enamel paint, because there's just a few spots that really suck on there. So I'm going to try to get them cleaned up, sandblast it, paint it, put the rear swing arm on, because the rear swing arm little spots kind of rusty. Get it. The rear swing arm I got looks in pretty damn good shape. If I can get that swing arm on it and put the axles back on there, I should be able to get the other set of tires here out of my way and possibly put that motor in it over there, because I can't seem to find anybody sell me a damn motor. Everybody's afraid of shipping. I keep telling them, put it in a box, build a little box, screw it all together, freaking stuff with peanuts, and just put handles on it if you have to. I'll pay for the freaking thing. I'll pay for the sheet of plywood. I'll pay for the screws and even the handles, and bring it to the post office or bring it to FedEx or something, just so you can put it on wheels, whatever. So I just want to get it rolling so I can start packing it together and then figure out what I need to do, because I want it rolling so I get a lot of the parts here. Once that one's rolling, I'm going to slowly piece together this one right here, this little bike here. This one is a freshly nice painted job, which I forgot to take this bolt out of the back, so I'm probably going to torch the paint job on one section. You'll never see it because it'll be under the bike, but I'm going to know it's there. The other one, I'm just going to make... The other thing I need is I got to get a gray seat cover, and I would like to find a place, I think there's places that do it, to get new seat foam. And in the meantime, I'm going to put that one back together, and then I'll start putting this one right here in little pieces at a time. So I'll work on trying to piece it. Now that I have, because I have my, what I call the emotional support bike, which basically is a bike that I can look at and go, oh, that's where it goes, and figure out the screws. Even though I've so far taken apart enough of these bikes to know that the everything except the engine is pretty simple. The engine itself is a bit of, I'm probably underqualified to repair an engine, but you know, anybody with a imagination can sit there and try to figure it out. And I have enough tools and enough torque wrenches and shit to probably figure it out. Will I get it working? Probably not. So It's just wishful thinking. But I have this to paint the rims. Next month I'm probably going to pick off. I'm either going to use the rims from this one for now, and then slowly buy another set of rims for that one. Look for another set, or vice versa. But I'm going to put the rims on it. I have two really shitty set of rims here, which I don't know. I haven't decided if I should just get rid of it or what. I feel like I got screwed on that one, but it'll be the first time I jumped into something blind. So with that said, that's going to happen. And I got wheel paint. Let's try it out. I'm also going to get the high heat engine paint, and I'm going to attempt to cut open. I have two exhausts. One looks like shit. I'm going to try to cut it, repair it, and make it look nice. Because, and I'm going to, actually let me show you. These things look pretty expensive. And the end part's still good. The rest of this looks pretty okay. I'm not sure what was going on over here. I'm not sure what the hell is going on over here either, but if I can salvage this part's got a little, I don't know what the hell happened here, but if I were, I'm going to cut this out of here and redo this nice. I honestly don't know what the hell happened here. Somebody, I don't know, somebody know how to weld. Apparently it was a welding project. I also have, I gotta see if this exhaust is the same as the other exhaust I have, because I don't know what they screwed up on here. So if the other one's better and this one's a piece of something, let me go get that one too. Hold on. Well, this one looks like the butcher from Baghdad got a hold of it, because it's the end piece looks. See, I don't know. I don't know what they did, but something tells me they butchered this one. If these are supposed to go like that, no idea. It might be worth it to lop this off and put that on here. Because, from what I can tell, I'm not an expert at this. I don't know if this is an aftermarket one or what. The mounts on here are different. This mount's different than that one. This one's wonky, and that's totally messed up. Totally whacked. This has a, I don't know, man. This is like, so I don't know. Maybe a different factory. I don't know. This one is a nicer one. This one's a piece of crapola, but if I can, I don't know, maybe I'll just buy another one, find a used one. Maybe I'll just find a used one. I know I have another exhaust from this one came with the 86. It's just I mean, I could just grind it all down, paint it black. Could try to get the whatever's floating around out there. This one, the only real problem is the dent here. It actually feels nicer. This one feels like it's got less rust on it, but the front end of it's a Ziwango Zitango. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Anyway, I'm exhausted. I'll let you go. Thanks for watching.